Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Ideal Gas Density Interactive Calculator, a powerful tool for solving gas property calculations in HVAC design, pneumatic systems, and process engineering applications. This calculator solves the fundamental relationship between gas density, pressure, temperature, and molar mass using the ideal gas law. When you're sizing compressors, designing ventilation systems, or calculating gas flow rates, you need accurate density values at specific operating conditions. Let's examine the interface. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode drop-down menu. The available options are Calculate Density, Calculate Pressure, Calculate Temperature, Calculate Molar Mass, Calculate Number of Moles, and Calculate Mass. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Density. Below that, you'll find 6 input fields. Pressure P accepts values in kilopascals absolute. Temperature T takes Kelvin absolute. Molar mass M requires grams per mole. Density ρ displays in kilograms per cubic meter. Volume 5 uses cubic meters, and mass M accepts kilograms. Let's work through a real example. Imagine we're calculating air density in a compressed air system. Enter 500 for pressure P, representing 500 kilopascals absolute. Type 303.15 for temperature T, which is 30 degrees Celsius. For molar mass M, enter 28.97, the molecular weight of dry air. Leave volume phi at 1.0 cubic meter. Click Calculate. The calculator returns a density ρ of 5.74 kilograms per cubic meter. Notice it also displays specific volume and confirms the gas constant R equals 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin. These outputs directly inform equipment sizing decisions. Specific volume helps determine volumetric flow rates from mass flow specifications. Remember, always use absolute pressure and absolute temperature values, never gauge or relative measurements. Find the link in the description below.